Want a better life? Want less stress? It all starts with your money. Understanding your finances isn't just for experts, it's for everyone. When you control your money, you control your future. No more worrying about bills. No more feeling lost. Let's get started. It's time to take charge. You deserve financial peace of mind. It's not about being rich, it's about being smart. Small steps lead to big changes. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's have some fun. Imagine a giant wheel. Each section has a financial topic: budgeting, saving, investing. Spin the wheel. Where does it land? That's where we'll start. First stop, budgeting. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. We'll create a simple plan together. Next, saving. We'll find ways to save more than you thought possible. Finally, investing. We'll make your money work for you. First, track your spending. This is the foundation of understanding your financial habits. Without knowing where your money goes, it's impossible to make informed decisions about your finances. Start by keeping a detailed record of every single expense, no matter how small. This includes your morning coffee, that quick snack, or even the spare change you drop into a vending machine. Every dollar counts. Use an app, a notebook, whatever works for you. There are numerous tools available to help you track your spending. Budgeting apps can automatically categorize your expenses, making it easier to see where your money is going. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, a simple notebook can be just as effective. The key is consistency. Make it a habit to record your expenses daily. Write down every dollar you spend for a month. This exercise will give you a clear picture of your spending patterns. At the end of the month, review your records. Look for trends and identify areas where you might be overspending. Are there any surprises? Perhaps you didn't realize how much you were spending on dining out or on subscription services. You might be surprised where your money goes. Next, create a budget. A budget is a plan for your money. It helps you allocate your income towards expenses, savings, and investments. Start by listing all your sources of income. This could be your salary, freelance work, or any other sources of money you receive regularly. List your income and expenses. Be thorough and include everything. Fixed expenses like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and insurance should be listed first. Then add your variable expenses such as groceries, entertainment, and transportation. Don't forget to include savings and investments as part of your budget. How much do you earn? Knowing your total income is crucial for creating a realistic budget. If your income varies from month to month, use an average based on the past few months. This will give you a more accurate picture of your financial situation. How much do you spend on needs versus wants? Be honest with yourself. Needs are essential expenses like housing, food, and healthcare. Wants are non-essential items like dining out, entertainment, and luxury items. Distinguishing between the two can help you prioritize your spending and make necessary adjustments. Now look for areas to cut back. Review your expenses and identify areas where you can reduce spending. This might mean cutting back on dining out, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding more affordable alternatives for certain services. Small changes can make a big difference over time. Can you spend less on eating out? Preparing meals at home can save you a significant amount of money. Plan your meals, make a shopping list, and stick to it. Not only will this help you save money, but it can also lead to healthier eating habits. Can you find a cheaper phone plan? Small changes add up. Review your monthly bills and look for opportunities to save. Compare different phone plans, negotiate with your service providers, and consider bundling services to get better deals. Every little bit helps when it comes to managing your finances effectively. Remember, the goal is to create a sustainable budget that works for you. It's not about depriving yourself, but about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. Regularly review and adjust your budget as needed to stay on track. With discipline and consistency, you'll gain better control over your finances and work towards a more secure financial future. Section 4. Supercharge your savings, simple tips and tricks. Saving is crucial. Start small. Even $5 a week adds up over time. Make it automatic. Set up a direct deposit from your checking account to your savings account. Out of sight, out of mind. Think of your savings goals: a new car, a down payment on a house. Visualize your goals to stay motivated. Celebrate your successes. Every milestone is a step towards financial freedom. Section 5. Investing 101. Growing your money with confidence. Investing is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals and build wealth over time. However, it can also be intimidating if you're not familiar with the basics. In this section, we'll break down the essentials of investing to help you get started with confidence. Investing can seem scary, but it doesn't have to be. Start with the basics. Begin by understanding the different types of investments available to you. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate are just a few examples. Each type of investment has its own level of risk and potential return. It's important to do your research and understand how each one works before you start investing your money. Learn about different investment options. Consider low-cost index funds. These funds are a great way to get started because they offer broad market exposure and typically have lower fees compared to actively managed funds. Index funds track a specific market index such as the S&P 500 and aim to replicate its performance. This means you can benefit from the overall growth of the market without having to pick individual stocks. They're a great way to start investing in the stock market. Diversify your investments. Diversification is a key principle of investing. By spreading your money across different types of investments, you can reduce your overall risk. If one investment performs poorly, others may perform well, helping to balance out your returns. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification can be achieved in many ways. You can diversify by investing in different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. You can also diversify within each asset class by investing in different sectors, industries, and geographic regions. The goal is to create a balanced portfolio that can weather market fluctuations and provide steady returns over time. Invest in different asset classes like stocks and bonds. Be patient. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience and a long-term perspective. The stock market can be volatile in the short term, but historically, it has provided strong returns over the long term. By staying invested and not reacting to short-term market movements, you can take advantage of the power of compounding and grow your wealth over time. Investing is a long-term game. It's important to have a clear investment plan and stick to it. Set realistic goals and determine your risk tolerance. Your investment plan should be tailored to your individual financial situation and goals. Regularly review your portfolio and make adjustments as needed, but avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Don't panic sell when the market fluctuates. Market fluctuations are a normal part of investing. It's important to stay calm and not let emotions drive your investment decisions. Selling in a panic during a market downturn can lock in losses and prevent you from benefiting from a potential market recovery. Instead, focus on your long-term goals and stay disciplined with your investment strategy. With time and patience, you can grow your money with confidence. Section 6. Real people, real results, inspiring financial journeys. In this section, we delve into the transformative journeys of individuals who took charge of their financial destinies. These stories are not just about numbers and budgets, they are about resilience, determination, and the pursuit of dreams. Let's explore how ordinary people achieved extraordinary financial success. Meet Sarah. She was drowning in credit card debt. The weight of her financial burdens was overwhelming, and it seemed like there was no way out. Every month, she found herself deeper in debt, with interest piling up and creditors calling. But Sarah decided to take control of her situation. She started by creating a budget, meticulously tracking every dollar she spent. She cut back on unnecessary spending, making tough choices to prioritize her financial health. Sarah stopped dining out, canceled subscriptions she didn't need, and found joy in simple, cost-free activities. She even started using cash envelopes to manage her spending, ensuring she didn't go over budget. Through her dedication and discipline, Sarah paid off her debt in 2 years. The day she made her final payment was one of the happiest days of her life. She held her paid-in-full statement with pride, knowing that her hard work had paid off. Sarah's journey didn't end there, it was just the beginning of a new chapter. Now, she's saving for her dream home. With her debt behind her, Sarah set new financial goals. She opened a high-yield savings account and started putting away money every month. She researched the housing market, attended open houses, and envisioned the day she would have a place to call her own. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of perseverance and smart financial planning. Meet John. He started investing in his 20s with just a small amount of money. John was always curious about the stock market but didn't know where to begin. He took the time to educate himself, reading books, attending seminars, and seeking advice from financial advisors. With a modest initial investment, he began his journey into the world of investing. He stayed consistent with his investments over time. John understood the importance of patience and the power of compound interest. He made regular contributions to his investment portfolio, even when the market was volatile. He diversified his investments, spreading his money across different sectors to minimize risk. John's disciplined approach paid off as he watched his investments grow. Now, he's financially secure and enjoying early retirement. John's wise investment choices allowed him to retire in his 40s. He spends his days traveling, pursuing hobbies, and spending quality time with his family. He no longer worries about money and can focus on living life to the fullest. John's story is an inspiring example of how early and consistent investing can lead to financial freedom. These are just two examples of the power of taking control of your finances. There are countless others who have transformed their lives through smart financial decisions. Whether it's paying off debt, saving for a major purchase, or investing for the future, the key is to start now and stay committed. Remember, every small step you take today can lead to significant financial achievements tomorrow. Let these stories inspire you to embark on your own financial journey and create the future you desire. Section 7. The power of financial freedom. You can do it. Financial freedom is within your reach. It's about having choices. It's about living life on your terms. It's about achieving your dreams. Remember, it's a journey, not a race. Start today. Take that first step. Spin the wheel and see where it takes you. You have the power to change your financial future. Believe in yourself. You can do it.